Today I will show you how to create simple video in Movavi video editor. I hope that you installed Movavi on your computer. So let's get started. On my left side we have toolbox from where we can choose various objects and put them in our video. We have file import on the top where we can add various types of files. It could be images, videos, audios. Second, we have filters. Filter tabs allows to apply the effect you want to apply on your videos. We will see how we can do that in our example. Third, transition. Transitions are short animations inserted between two clips or footage. It helps to make any video look like a professional movie. Number 4. Titles. Titles are stylish tags that we can add to our videos. We normally see video have a very beautiful graphical tags. So we will use titles for that purpose. On fifth, we have stickers. Stickers decorate your video and make it more fun by adding stickers on top of it. And in the last we have more tab or another option to enhance the quality of the video and put more animation into it. Now let's create a simple image and apply some of these effects and audio sound to it, and we'll see how our video looks like.